How to make iron arrows in RuneScape. Iron arrows are ammunition that can be used with the ranged skill. They have no level requirements and can be bought sold on the Grand Exchange. Steps. 1. Take a knife and with some normal logs make arrow shafts. 2. Use an iron bar on an anvil to create iron arrow tips. 3. Get some regular feathers and use them on the arrow shafts. You will get unfinished arrows. 4. Attach the arrow tips to the unfinished arrows and you have iron arrows. Tips. Arrow shafts can be bought on the GE, but they don't usually sell by. This is the same with iron arrow tips.